Good to be back with you again. You are with HaveFun&Learn with JP. No, we do not pick up from last class. We pause for a while because you people, some of you people are very busy with the boards. So with the boards in view, I wanted to solve a few problems which has been frequently sent by number of students at some point or the other. So I thought it would be a good idea to share those problems with you, and we start today with 3 problems that I will solve which have been sent to me by my students. So we go on to our first problem. By the way, who are new to this channel, I am JP Datta and you are with HaveFun&Learn with JP Datta. Please subscribe, share and comment. Of course, if you feel like it, if you think they are useful. And okay, let's go back to the first problem. The question is on the screen. Pause and then I'll explain the question. It says here is a circle with center O and there is a point P outside the circle. Correct? 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle. Also, another tangent CD is drawn to the circle which intersect or is a tangent at E. We have to find out the perimeter of triangle PCD. So let us start. Now see, we know that PA is equal to PB. That means tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So we can write PA is equal to PB, and that is given to be 10 centimeters. Right? Now, perimeter of triangle PCD is equal to PC plus CD plus PD. Right? Now here is the point. See, E is a tangent. So here CE is equal to AC. Correct? And DE is equal to BD. Right? We can replace CE by AC and DE by PD. So we break this up. Is equal to PC plus CE plus DE plus PD. Correct? Now see, look at these. So we can convert them to PC plus CE is AC. AC plus DE is BD. BD plus PD. Correct? Now you put them in bracket. Right? So what you get? PC plus AC is equal to PA plus BD plus PD is equal to PB, and we know these values, that is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 centimeters. So first question is how you do it. Correct? Now we come to problem number 2. See, the question is on the screen. Please pause and write it. Correct. Now I explain the question. See, there is a circle here with center O. P is an external point from which 2 tangents are drawn, PA and PB. Okay. Now AB is a chord which makes an angle of 30 degree with a radius. This angle is 30 degree. We have to find out the value of the radius and AP, the tangent, given the length of the chord AB to be 6 centimeters. So let us find out what is given. Given angle OAV is equal to 30 degree. Chord AB is equal to 6 centimeters. To find radius OA equal to OB equal to R and AB, the length of AB. Now see, if you take that angle OAB is equal to 30 degree. Now the tangent at A makes an angle of 90 degree with the radius, correct? So therefore angle PAO is equal to 90 degree. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Correct? Okay. So now we can find out angle BAP. Therefore, angle BAP is equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay? Now, PA and PB are tangents. PA and PB are tangents to the circle. Therefore, PA is equal to PB. If that is so, then angle PAB is equal to angle PBA. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Understood? So therefore, triangle APB is equilateral. Right? Because all the angles are 60 degree. Right? Therefore, AB is equal to AP is equal to PB. Correct? Now we are given AB is equal to 6 centimeters. Right? Now see, if we draw a line, this will bisect the angle. This total angle is 60 degree and this will be 30 degree. Do I need to prove it? Hope not. Right? So now, tan angle, tan 30 degree, in triangle in triangle APO angle PAO is equal to 90 degree. Correct? Therefore, tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to OA by AP. Now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Therefore 1 by root 3 is equal to OA by AP. These all are equal 6 centimeters. 6. Therefore OA is equal to 6 divided by root 3. So we have found out AP is equal to 6 centimeters and radius OA to 2 root 3 centimeters. That solves our second problem. If we come to the third question, the statement of the third question is on the screen. Please pause and write down. Okay, I'll explain the question. Okay, before going further, if you like these videos, these problem solutions and problems help you, please subscribe to the video, share and comment. Okay, now coming back. Now it says there is a cone which is full of water. The height of the cone is 8 centimeters and the radius of the cone is 6 centimeters. Now a sphere is dropped inside it. Right? What happens? Water will spill out. They want the fraction of water spilled out, the ratio of the fraction of the water spilled out to the original amount of volume of water present, right? So we can convert it to a line diagram upside down, like we can have the cone like this, no? Okay, and this is the height, and we can have a sphere. For our convenience, we can do it like this. Correct? We draw a line diagram. Have a look at the line diagram. This is what the figure will look like upside down in a line diagram. Now see, since it's a sphere, AC is a tangent at Q. Correct? Now let us find out what we got. We got DC is equal to 6 centimeters. AD is equal to 8 centimeters. Let OQ is equal to radius equal to radius. Also from the figure, AO is equal to H minus R. Have you got it? This part from A to O will be H minus R, that's equal to H minus R. Correct. Now, see, triangle ACD is right angle at D. In triangle ACD, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. This we know. Also, if you talk about triangle AQO, we'll talk about it later. Now see, we take the tan of this angle. So, tan angle OAQ or DAC, tan angle DAC. Tan angle DAC is equal to 6 by 8, which is 3 by 4. Right. Now also see, this is also right angle because it is a tangent. So tan of angle OAC, OAQ is equal to tan angle DAC because they refer to the same angle, is equal to 3 by 4. Correct? Now see, tan OAQ, tan angle OAQ is equal to OQ by AQ. Understood? Now OQ is R, so R by AQ. Again, this angle is 3 by 4. Therefore, 3 by 4 is equal to R by AQ. Right? So here we get AQ is equal to 4R by 3. Understood? Angle OAQ is same as angle DAC. Now, see, in triangle OAQ, angle AQO is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras. We got this much, this value as 4R by 3. Right? Now if we apply Pythagoras, we see that OA square is equal to OQ square plus AQ square. We replace the value. OA is 8 minus R. Whole square is equal to OQ is R square plus AQ square is 4R by 3 whole square. Right? So if you simplify this one, we get 64 minus 16R plus R square is equal to R square plus 16 R square by 9. Right? This R square and this R square goes. So we are left with 64 minus 16R minus 16R square by 9 is equal to 0. So 16, 64, 16, 16. We can divide by 16, right? So you get 4 minus R minus R square by 9 is equal to 0. This is correct. I think it's correct. Okay. Now, if we further simplify, we get 36 minus 9R minus R square, which is 0. We can now change signs. R square plus 9R minus 36 is equal to 0. Right? We can factorize it. So r square plus 12r minus 3r minus 36 is equal to 0. Correct? So we get r plus 12 minus 3 r plus 12 is equal to 0. So there we get r minus 3 r plus 12 is equal to 0. So we accept this where r is equal to 3. So we got this radius is equal to 3. Now change becomes easy. Okay, right on. Keep this and we are moving on. So, if you talk about the volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi into 6 square into 8. Correct? So that gives you 1/3 pi 6 into 6 into 8. Cancel 2, you get 2. So you get 96 pi. Correct? Now volume of the sphere. Is equal to 4/3 pi 3 into 3 into 3. Correct? So cancels out. 3 3s are 9, 36 pi. So now we say water spilled out equal to the volume of the sphere. So water spilled out is equal to 36 pi. So ratio of volume of water spilled out to the volume of cone is equal to 36 pi by 96 pi. Was it 96? Yeah, 96. Pi cancel out. 6, 16. So again by 2, 3. This is 8. 3 by 8. Right? This is the answer. Okay. Pretty big one, but simple. So, that's all for today. In the next class, we have another spotlight 2, where we deal with the questions that are frequently sent to me by my students. So till then, bye-bye.